Hello, here we are at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Fiona. Fiona, it's very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
So, Fiona, could you introduce Hanglei toys for me?
Of course. Shantou Chenghai Hanglei Industry Local Company Limited was founded in 2001.
Wow.
We have more than 25 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting.
Wow, it's very cool. So, where is your factory located?
We're located in Shantou, Chenghai.
Okay.
Yeah, we have employs more than 100 staff.
Wow, so a big factory and big workforce. It's very cool. And so, where are your main countries that you export to?
We export to Europe, America, South America, and Southeast Asia.
Wow, so almost like worldwide.
Yeah, all
very
over the
wow.
world.
So that's amazing. So when you're exporting to these countries, you must have the certifications of like ensuring the product safety and product quality. So tell me about those certifications?
We have EN71 and ASTM F963 certificate. Our factory already have the ISO and BS certificates.
Okay, and it's very important. The safety is always very important. The product quality is very important. But the next thing that's really important is how much the children have fun with the product. So tell me, what is your best-selling products with these market?
Okay, our best selling is this looking animal. They have cute appearance and have wonderful music and charming lighting. They also can record your voice.
Just grab a neck and it will say
Like
hello.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Hi.
And it's very cool. It'll be like very interactive for the very young child. And so the age range for this product is like 0 months to what age?
Our products are designed for baby from 0 months to 36 months.
Wow. So yeah, I can imagine that it would be very it's a very interactive toy for that age. Like they get to interact with their toy, they get to listen to the music. Fills all their the communication as well. It's very fun for them and very immersive for them. It's very nice. And so I understand you also have a very new range that's coming as well.
Yeah.
You have even the high-speed sharks. You have the very cool-looking drones, very sleek design, very smooth.
And this is our new arrival for 2026.
Wow.
The product weight does not exceed 249, so it's no need to this registration or permission to fly.
Oh yes.
So it's very great because with the 3-axis gimbal.
Yeah, the gimbal is very cool. So
The
it has.
gimbal is very cool.
So it's very high tech and it has this display on the remote control as well.
It's very big.
Yeah, I love the color. The color scheme is amazing, and I love the design on these. These shapes are so cool, like the airplane and also this kind of sword one. And I understand. Do you have different designs? If there's a design, if I wanted my own design for anything like this, would it be able to be customized?
Okay, no problem. All specifications can be customized according to customer's requirements.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
that's amazing. So if I want to contact you and order one for myself, where could I contact you for more information?